The video is mainly divided into 3 steps: setting language, packaging operation method, and how to turn on and turn off the machine. Press the manufacturer key button twice. Press the End key to select languages. Semi-automatic operation method. Pressing the lasso key. Press the End key again to select the off-on state. Must confirm that fully automatic packaging state is off, then press left and right semi-automatic button to packing. Now the semi-automatic packaging operation is over. Automatic operation method. Pressing the lasso key. Press the End key again to select the on state. Then press Reset and Fully Automatic Start button to packing. Now the automatic packaging operation is over. Manual operation. First press the manual button. Then manually press the button on the panel. Manual operation is suitable for using maintenance, not suitable for packaging work. Press motor on to turn on the machine, and press motor off to turn off the machine.